Today, John. Oh, fuck.
That's you. You're pulling here. We're go straight and pull to the right.
Ah, crap. All right, well that sucks. Well, that sucks. What a way to start off the day, man. Johnny K. Oh, my man. Starting the day off proper, huh?
Yeah.
Police interactions.
Unfortunately.
Well, let's hopefully that's the only one we have of the day. I'm glad you weren't cuffed and thrown in jail when this bike wasn't towed. We still have the day ahead of us. The day just became a little bit more expensive.
Yeah.
All right, Johnny, you're the brewery guy. You found another brewery to check out.
Yes, sir.
Where are we going?
Barley Forge.
And that's one in Costa Mesa?
Yeah.
Right on, man. Why'd you choose Barley Forge?
For one, I'm a huge fan of their coconut rice stout.
Coconut rice stout. I'm excited to see how this one stacks up. And I did like some beers from that last spot, so let's see what this place has to offer. Oh, Johnny boy. You got a ticket. Man, starting the day off proper. That sucks. Now I'm afraid to wheelie. Should have known, man. Board and freeze this weekend. And there are a ton of bikes out, meaning there are a ton of cops watching the ton of bikes. Goal of the day, no more tickets. Or crashes. Not that we crashed yet, just saying that. Just putting it out there, no record. Look at this thing. I like it. Chinook. Not a helicopter. So I did write down some information regarding the brewery we're going to today. And we'll get into that in a little bit. I just want to ride for a minute, right? That's a cool bike. What are you doing, dude? I know I'm not saying much, man. I'm just a little bummed out. Getting pulled over right off the bat like that really puts a dent in the day, huh? As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place where we're going today. Barley Forge Brewery Company. Barley Forge was established in November of 2014 by Greg Nyland and Marianne Frericks in Costa Mesa, making it Costa Mesa's first ever production brewery. The brewery specializes in Belgian, West Coast, and German-style beers. One thing that's different about this place versus the last place, this place sells food. But believe it or not, that's all I got on this place. I have no idea what to expect, so we'll have to wait and see, huh? What's up, man?
Dude, oh my god. I've been looking for you forever and I can never find you.
I wish I had a sticker for you, brother.
Yeah.
Well, you made the video.
I am? What's up, guys?
Full disclaimer, we're not going to be drinking and riding today. Get the little flights, which is like a bunch of samples, probably equivalent to about a single beer each. And we're going to eat and hang out for a little while after, so it'll be totally out of our system. I'm not a fan of drinking and riding. You shouldn't be either. And while we're talking about disclaimers, I'm going to go ahead and say it. I've already offered to pay half of his ticket. You give me the white line?
Right.
I don't think you got a shot today.
I'll try though.
Or should we just take it easy, considering our luck so far?
Yeah.
All right, let's do a slow race.
Okay.
The first one across the white line loses. No. I don't know what the hell that was all about. Must have knew somebody. I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering why I'm not using Jenna anymore in the outros. I want to. It just seems like every time I do, the video becomes demonetized. And that's not good. Not when this is your full-time job. guess we're here. Well, we made it without any more tickets. Barley Forge Brewery. Not too bad, dude. We got a bunch of beers. I'm not even entirely sure which ones we got, but I'm sure of which ones I liked. Out of all the beers that we got, I liked their award-winning beer, which was Grandpa's Tractor, and their Patsy's. They did have an horchata beer, but no, not for me. I did not like that beer. Out of all the beers that you got, what did you like? What didn't you like?
Everything was pretty solid. The Patsy on Nitro, though, definitely stuck out the most.
Patsy on Nitro?
Yeah.
All right, and then we ate some food. They did have some good food here. I got the pretzel, and I got the steak chili. The steak chili tasted like cinnamon and chocolate, and the pretzel was pretty good. What did you get?
I got the Cuban.
Cuban? Did you like it?
Nothing special, but it's all right.
Everything that you saw on the table today cost about $54 plus tip. We're right at 60. Will I be back? No. You ranked the last place we went to at 9. How would you rank this place?
Give it a 7.
A 7 out of 10. All right, fair enough. All right, let's start heading back and see what we can get into. No tickets. I'd also like to remind you guys, out of all the stuff I drank was equivalent to about 1 beer, and we had food and we hung out for over an hour just hanging out talking. So it's completely out of our system. Please do not drink and ride or drive. Tell you what, these breweries, they're not cheap. Not be able to frequent these things, that's just too expensive. Well, yeah, man. Well, sorry about the short video. We didn't have to travel that far this time, but I had a good time anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. So again, huge shout out to the Patreons. You guys are the best, man. You guys are deep in my heart. I appreciate it. As well as the channel sponsors. We got Chaparral Moto, the law offices of Henry Haddad, Voss Helmets, LUIMOTO. All I ask is that if you're considering any of their services or products, consider them first. They're good companies. Check out my website at SuburbanDelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. T-shirts, hats, keychains, stickers. I do have another channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. It's called Extra Delinquent. I'll have the link in the description of the video. Lots of crashes and struggles. Might be into it. I want to remind you guys, AIMExpo is coming up in Columbus, Ohio in September, where the club and I will be reunited. We're doing a meet and greet and a ride. Hope to see you guys there. Columbus, Ohio, here we come. All right, love you all as usual. Thanks for the support. You guys are the best. Catch you next week. Later. What's up, sir? Look, I'm late twice.